In this video, we will show you how to add a single, one-time visit to your schedule in LawnPro. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, click on the Schedule tab, and then click Schedule. Then click New Event Visit to Customer. On the New Visit page, you'll see a type drop-down at the top. Leave it set to Single Visit. That's the default option. Next, choose a date for the visit. If you need to schedule it at a specific time, check the time box, where you can enter the time. Below that, you can enter an estimated time for how long the visit will take. If you want this visit to be invoiceable, you will check this box. Next, add a visit title or description so it's easy to identify on your calendar. Then, select the customer that this visit is for and select the property. The property drop-down will automatically populate the properties for the customer you selected. If the property you select has any default items or service setup, they will pop up here, saving you a step. If this visit is tied to a contract or level billing agreement, you can link it using the drop-down below. By default, open visits appear as teal on your calendar. If you'd like a different color for the visit, just click the teal bar, and then choose the color you want. Next, add the items and services for the visit. Click Add Line and start typing in the description box. Your items will auto-populate based on what you've already set up in your account. You can add multiple line items by clicking the green Add Line Item button, or you can add a whole bundle at once by using the yellow Add Package button. We have a separate video on packages. If you have a visit form that needs to be completed for this job, you can attach it here. Next, assign a crew or employees to the visit. When you select a crew from the drop-down, the employees assigned to that crew will automatically populate in the employee field. If you'd rather assign individual employees without a crew, just type their names directly in the box. You can also add tags for the visit to help with filtering and organizing. Internal notes can be added here. These are only visible to your team. Customers won't see these notes. If there are any existing property notes on file, they'll appear here automatically. Keep in mind, these can't be edited from this page. To edit them, you need to update the property directly. If you use custom fields, you can fill those in here as well. If you need to attach any photos or videos for the visit, just drag and drop them into the upload area or click Select File. Last, you have the option to transfer the event title to the invoice. If you've entered a title here and check this box, it will transfer over to the invoice. You can also choose to add any images you've uploaded here to the invoice. When everything is set, click the green Create Visit button, and the visit will be added to your schedule. That's all it takes to add a single visit in LawnPro. Quick, straightforward, and everything in one place.